Welcome. If you've ever wanted to get your friends' opinions or make decisions as a group, creating a poll on Discord is a fantastic way to do it. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a poll with a 2-week duration on Discord using the latest features for 2025. Whether you're planning an event, choosing a game, or just curious about everyone's favorite pizza topping, this guide has you covered. First, open up Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, decide where you want your poll to appear. You can create a poll in a direct message with a friend or a group, or you can post it in any server channel where you have permission to send messages. Once you're in the right chat or channel, look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom left of your message box. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of options pop up. From these, select Polls. Discord's poll feature is super intuitive and easy to use. Now it's time to set up your poll. Start by typing your question. Make it clear and concise so everyone knows what they're voting on. Then add your answer options. You can include as many as you need, but keep it simple for the best results. Here's the important part. Setting the poll duration. Tap on the duration option, and you'll see several time frames to choose from. Scroll through and select 2 weeks. This means your poll will stay open for a full 14 days, giving everyone plenty of time to cast their vote. Once you've double-checked your question, options, and duration, hit send or create. Your poll will appear in the chat or channel, and everyone can start voting right away. You can track the results in real time, and once the 2 weeks are up, the final tally will be displayed automatically. That's it. Creating a 2-week poll on Discord is quick and easy. Try it out for your next group decision, and see how simple it is to get everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and happy polling.